This arrabbiata sauce is so spicy and addictive, you'll forget every other sauce. 3 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 2 cups crushed tomatoes, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, fresh basil leaves. Heat olive oil in a pan on medium flame. Add garlic and sauté until golden and aromatic. Add chili flakes. This is what makes arrabbiata sauce bold and spicy. Pour in crushed tomatoes and mix well. Add salt and a little sugar to balance flavors. Let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes until thick. Add fresh basil and give your arrabbiata sauce a final stir. Pour this rich arrabbiata sauce over pasta and enjoy restaurant-style taste at home. Subscribe for more easy sauce recipes.